Hi guys, welcome back.
So we landed. Our bus arrived in Chiang Mai this morning at like 6 a.m. No sleep, gang. We're going straight to the sticky waterfall.
Yeah,
In
we couldn't actually do check-in as well because check-in was 2 p.m.
yeah, exactly.
So we got a car and we headed here to the sticky waterfall, and now we're going to try to do a little video around and show you how these limestone deposits are basically helping your way up, so you are actually able to climb up.
Yeah, of course, usually waterfalls are super slippery and the rocks on them are, but these ones have special limestone deposits which make them super grippy, almost like callus-y, so you should be able to climb up them really easily. We're gonna check it out.
So you may have seen some new faces in the past few videos, and today I'm going to tell you who they are. I am so lucky and grateful to be fortunate enough for a trip such as this one. I am traveling for 6 weeks around Southeast Asia with my sister and her boyfriend. They work a lot and live very different lives to us, but after so many years, we have finally managed to organize this. A trip of a lifetime. This is something that most sisters dream of doing together, and I am so lucky to actually be able to do it. So without further ado, this is Jessie and Josh, our new travel buddies for the next 6 weeks. As you may know, we are currently in Chiang Mai in the north of Thailand, and we have some crazy adventures for you guys in this video. We are heading first to the sticky waterfalls. It is a super unusual experience, and we are going to climb these falls together. And then later in the video, we are going to an elephant sanctuary in the forest. So that is going to be unreal. Make sure to stay tuned.
What's his name?
Billy, it's Billy.
Oh, it's Billy. That's a cute name.
It's her name.
Aww, likes you. Butterfly man.
Honestly, one of the most unique places I've ever been to. So the name of the place is actually Taeng. Most people just call it the Sticky Waterfalls, and it's about an hour and a half drive north of Chiang Mai's old city. But if you rent a car, you can make your way there very easily. The roads are not difficult to drive at all, and once you get here, it is well worth it, guys. Walking up these falls, it feels like it shouldn't be correct. I mean, you're walking on water. Water is usually going to cause a lot of slippery, situations, but the only thing you need to be careful for is like if there's some green spots, it's a bit of a buildup of algae, and those can be a bit slippery. But if you walk directly on the rock surface, it is so grippy. It's almost like a cheese grater or something like that. Really unusual.
Yeah, we need to do yoga. Little yoga here, yoga moment. All right, what is this pose called?
The bear pose.
Oh.
Do a Tarzan pose, please. So now, fans, we're having a picnic. We're having a picnic.
Look at this man and his waterfall.
And we're heading to the Elephant Conservation Park.
So excited.
And we're so excited. We're
Yeah.
gonna have like an afternoon with the elephant.
Half day tour.
Basically, you're going to have lunch as well. They actually offer volunteering. I double check on the website. It's a paid volunteering too.
We're looking into volunteering with like animals, and we thought this would be perfect. It's like 7 days, accommodation and food is paid for, and you go there and you help the animals. Elephants are a lot of maintenance. They require a lot of water, a lot of food, and they need to be taken care of. So we thought that would be an amazing experience. But apparently it's like $600 per person to volunteer there.
Yeah, that's crazy.
We're gonna find a good one, don't worry.
It was extremely important for us to go to an elephant sanctuary that was ethical in every way, because there are still, unfortunately, some sanctuaries out there where they ride the elephants, etc. Obviously, that was not our intention. So we chose the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. It's about 60 kilometers from the city of Chiang Mai, so it's a little out there, but if you go with a tour, they organize everything for you, including transport. And it is a completely ethical and sustainable ecotourism project. So, you know, they take care of these elephants with kindness and respect as they deserve. And yeah, let's go check it out.
So we learned that there are 2 types of elephants here, the African and the Asian, and you can tell the difference mostly by the size of the ears, the bumps they have on their forehead, and yeah, and actually their toenails, I believe they said as well. Very cool. So now we're just feeding them corn, taking some pictures. They are so beautiful.
So the sanctuary that we went to, they have multiple locations. Obviously, we went to the one in Chiang Mai, but we were told that it was quite a lucky choice, as this is the only one that had a baby elephant. And we got to see the baby elephant, absolutely adorable, very playful, had such a fun time with him. They kept him behind a gate to make sure that he didn't get too close to us and our skin, because oftentimes, obviously the people that come wear sunscreen, wear bug spray, and they're trying to keep that away from him. but absolutely amazing. We got to play with the water, play with the elephant, and yeah, the next part of the experience was making what they call medicine for the elephants. It was just a combination of different things that are beneficial for the elephants to eat, helping with digestion. As you may or may not know, they eat and drink a lot. And a really interesting way that they check if the elephant is hydrated enough is actually using the elephant's poo. So the caretaker of the elephants was showing us that it should be full of liquid, and asked for a volunteer. Obviously, who's gonna volunteer in this moment? Josh, Jesse's boyfriend. So he actually squished all of the water out of one of the pieces of poo, and to show us that's how they test it, that's how they make sure that the elephants are healthy. So that was very funny. I'm sure Jesse was not very amused by that. But then we made the medicine, we fed the elephants the medicine, and it was very fun. It was a very fun experience. All in all, the experience that we had in Chiang Mai was absolutely incredible. I would recommend to anyone. Now, obviously the elephant sanctuary did come at a cost because it was with a tour and it was a little bit on the expensive side. But I have to say, for me, 100% worth it for the experience. Just make sure to go ethical, guys. And the sticky waterfall, completely free. There were so many locals going there, and it was such a genuine experience that you can't find anywhere else. So when in Chiang Mai, definitely try these things out, guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting us with our videos, and make sure to stay tuned for the next one. See you soon.